Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make potato Sōmen. My son and I have been to potato digging on Tuesday and we got some potatoes. As soon as we got home, my son said he wants to eat potato Sōmen, which I was going to make it on a different day. And also he said he wants to use a Sōmen flowing machine, which we bought last year if you remember. Simple yet delicious, with crunchy texture. It was pretty refreshing. I think it's a perfect dish to serve in summer. Of course, the flowing machine is optional. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. What you need is fresh potatoes and Mentsuyu dipping sauce. Condiments are optional. Wash and peel potatoes. Fresh potatoes are better. Using a slicer, slice potatoes into thin strips. Soak in water to remove extra starch. In boiling water, add salt, then blanch the potatoes for 15 seconds. Drain in a strainer and quickly wash with cold water before the potato strips get soft with remaining heat. Now let's eat with Mentsuyu dipping sauce. By the way, you can use any Mentsuyu brand. Make the dipping sauce as instructed on its package. You just need to dilute with water. And now it's done. Easy, right? Let's eat with dipping sauce.
Okay. channel登録お願いします。チャットボタン押してね。バイバイ。